This election comes in the midst of a pandemic, but despite that, people still want to make their voices heard, even if they're in the hospital. Denver 7's Liz Gilardi joins us now. Liz, for the first time, patients can vote right from their hospital beds in Boulder.
Well, they can, Jessica, and as you know, voting is up pretty dramatically. It's a big election, and then add in a worldwide health crisis. Doctors at a local hospital wanted to make sure patients had their say. Ballot drop-off boxes, mail-in ballots, and even in-person voting. This is what Election Day looks like in Colorado, but there's a new polling location, the hospital.
So whether they're in the ICU or they're here for COVID or here to have a baby, we're asking everyone who has come into the hospital system in the last few days.
Dr. Mark Moeller works in the emergency room at Boulder Community Health. He spearheaded an effort to help patients vote if they're spending Election Day in the hospital.
Knock on the door, go in patient rooms, hi, introduce ourselves, ask them if they have voted, and if not, do they need help to vote?
Boulder Community Health worked with the County Voting Commission to find a secure way for patients to vote. They can use a tablet like this to request an emergency ballot right from their hospital bed.
The reason I didn't send in my mail-in votes was I actually wanted to go in and vote in person because I feel it's very important, particularly this election.
Lonnie Woods wasn't expecting to be in the hospital, but he started feeling sick on Sunday. He was going to ask a friend to drop off his ballots, but then he found out he could vote right here.
And I was like thrilled. I said, absolutely. I was overjoyed, actually. It was like a gift just to be able to vote.
And you can hear how grateful patients are. Dr. Moeller said COVID-19 has added an additional challenge. So when they go in to talk with patients in the COVID-19 unit, they have to wear full PPE, but they're going in. They're doing that because they said everyone needs to make their voices heard. Reporting live, Liz Gilardi, Denver 7.